Creating a repository on Bitbucket is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Sign in. Go to Bitbucket and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for a new one. Access the repositories page. Once logged in, click on your avatar or user icon in the bottom left corner. Select your repositories or repositories from the menu. Create a new repository. Click the Create Repository button, usually located on the top right of the repositories page. Fill in repository details. Repository name. Enter a unique name for your repository. Access level. Choose between private or public. Private repositories are only accessible to you and selected collaborators, while public repositories are accessible to everyone. Repository type. Select Git. Include a README. Optionally, check the box to include a README file, which is useful for project documentation. Git ignore. Optionally, select the Git ignore template to exclude files you don't want to track. Create repository. Click the Create Repository button to finalize the setup.